Doing a bit of home maintenance? Tell me something. Does the bottom of your toolbox look like this? Broken drills, blunt drills, incomplete drill sets? Do you get frustrated every time you have to drill into a new material? Have to get a new drill set? Well, those days are over. Do you get sick and tired of changing drill bits every time you have to drill a different material? Can you drill tough materials like ceramic tiles, hardened steel, glass, granite or marble? Do you get tired of having to buy new drill bits because your drill bits wear out, get broken, tips fall off, or because the drills you have just won't do the job? To drill an accurate hole, do you have to use a centre punch or drill a pilot hole? Well, those days are over. Get the job done like a professional tradesperson. Sit back and watch how we do it. Let me introduce you to the man with the answers. Denny, can you help us?
I certainly can, Stuart. You know what it's like? There's so many unfinished projects around the home, and to get the right drill bit, it's virtually impossible. And sometimes you're in two minds. Do you get a tradesperson in, or do you do it yourself? With this multi-purpose drill bit from Germany, you can do all the work yourself without any problems.
Really?
Yes, a simple job like hanging a picture frame. You've got to drill into the brick wall. It's very difficult. Might even be in the bathroom. You might have had it renovated and you've got to put some accessories on, like a bathroom towel holder, might be a toilet roll holder.
Yep.
The drill bits will do all your work. And outside...
Same drill bit?
The same drill bit will do all your work.
Fantastic.
So if you've got to hang a steel gate where you've got to drill steel into a post, into a brick wall, the same drill bit will do your job. So there's no need to buy all these different drill bits for all these different materials. The ARTU will do the job for you. Let me show you why these German ARTU drill bits truly are a multi-purpose drill bit. What I'm going to do here is drill ceramic into wood, into a steel disc rotor, and then into a red brick with the same drill bit.
Well, to say that I'm impressed is an understatement, Denny. That truly is a multi-purpose drill bit.
That's what the ARTU drill bits are famous for. Now, I want to get technical. I'm going to introduce you to my colleague, John, and he'll tell you a little bit more about the drill bits.
Oh, OK.
I'll leave you to it.
John.
Hi, Stuart.
I'm looking forward to this.
What I'm going to do today is demonstrate how versatile the ARTU drill bit is. I'm going to start off with some hardwood, some red gum.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to brick, to concrete with the blue metal through it,
Yeah.
to ceramics, and to the hardest of all metals.
And the one drill bit does it all.
All with the one drill bit.
OK, I'm ready.
Now, the benefits with drilling wood with these is they don't drag you into wood, so you have full control. And no more grabbing, twisting.
Yep.
Plus the shaft is chrome vanadium. That's what the Germans use in their high-quality hand tools, so it's flexible. So under pressure, it'll actually flex rather than snap.
It's amazing. Most drill bits would just snap, wouldn't they?
Yeah, a normal drill bit would have just snapped off or certainly lost its temper. Now all your brick, put your locks in there, the job's done in seconds. All your brick, concrete, through the blue metal.
This goes through like a hot knife through butter, doesn't it?
That's right. So when you're building, you can drill from wood into brick without changing your drill bit. Wood into concrete without changing your drill bit. Now all your ceramic work, tiles, marble, slate, they have a self-centering tip. So once you place your drill bit onto the surface, that's where you drill your hole. No more sliding. No more pilot holes or centre punches. But the ultimate test, of course, is to drill through what no other drill bit can drill through. I brought along a Nicholson file. They're the hardest. They're 68 Rockwell.
That is incredible.
And that'll do that over and over again, Stuart. 35 to 40 holes in a file before I need to sharpen the drill bit. And the reason why they stay sharp for so long is a tip. It's titanium carbide, and that can withstand 4 times the heat. If you're normal high-speed steel, it can withstand twice the heat of your tungsten. So whilst you're drilling, the tip of the drill is unaffected by the heat, so they hold their edge. You'll never need a coolant, and you can run your drill at high speed. That'll cut your drilling time down. The benefits from building is you can drill from wood into steel into brick, wood into steel into concrete, all without changing your drill bit. Now, they'll also drill glass.
Really?
Yeah, that glass must be drilled slowly, so we recommend you just use a slow spinning drill or your little egg beater type drill. Now I'm using Terps. The reason I use Terps is it has a small amount of oil, and that keeps the glass dust down. You don't want to breathe that in.
That is amazing.
That is how glass should be drilled. Without the slithers, without the chips, back to its natural
Just
state
powder,
of sand.
Does the bottom of your toolbox look like this? Full of broken and worn-out drill bits? Are you sick of changing drill bits every time you drill a different material? Are you forever buying costly replacements? Trying to choose the right drill bit is a nightmare. There are so many different drill bits available. For brick, for steel, for wood, for ceramics. Confused? Well, those days are over. Introducing the revolutionary ARTU German drill bits. These multi-purpose drill bits may be the last set of drill bits you ever buy. With just a single drill bit, you can drill brick, concrete, wood, hardened steel, ceramics, marble, and even glass. Your days of wasting valuable leisure time changing drill bits have come to an end. These ARTU German drill bit tips are diamond ground and are made from titanium and tungsten carbide to give them an extremely sharp and hard-wearing edge. The drill tip is attached to the shaft using a special heat-resistant bonding agent which can withstand a temperature of 1600 degrees centigrade. The shaft is made from chrome vanadium steel, allowing it to flex under pressure when drilling, so it won't snap. This means that your ARTU drill will outlast 4 ordinary drill bits. Remember, it's not the drill, it's the drill bit that makes the difference. ARTU drill bits can be used in any electric drill, drill press, or even in a cordless drill. This 7-piece German drill kit, 4mm to 12mm, normally sells for $119.95, and the multi-purpose rod saw, which cuts the toughest of building materials such as ceramic tiles, hardened steel and even glass, sells for $29.95. That makes this kit $149.90. Order within the next 15 minutes and we will take $40 off the price. Now you can have the very best German quality drill bits for $109. But wait! What about sharpening? Our specially designed silicon carbide sharpening stone will not only extend the life of your drill bits, but you can sharpen your tools, scissors and even kitchen knives. This sharpening stone sells for $29.95. Ring now and be one of the first 50 callers to order, and we will include this sharpening stone in the kit absolutely free. Now you're getting the whole ARTU range. The multi-purpose drill kit, the rod saw and the sharpening stone with a complete drilling instruction guide, not for the normal price of $180, but for the low price of only $109 plus $14.95 postage and handling. You now save $70. To help with sharpening, ask our operator about the special price on our versatile drill holder. Just imagine the time and money you will save. Join thousands of satisfied do-it-yourselfers, farmers and tradespeople across the UK and Europe who have been using these drill bits for over 20 years. That's undoubtedly a very special piece of equipment, Denny, and I'm just wondering, what sort of a life do they have? Do they eventually go dull and you have to throw them out, or can you sharpen them or something?
Well, Stuart, I'm glad you asked about sharpening, and you certainly don't throw them out. Unlike a normal drill bit, these will last you forever. When they go a little dull, what ARTU have done in Germany, they've actually designed a special honing stone. It is specially made for the drill bits, and we'll actually include this as part of our special offer today. But the beautiful thing is, when you want to resharpen these drill bits, you simply run along the face of it, backwards and forth. Unlike a normal drill bit where you've got to use a sharpener, a twist drill, you've got to spend a couple of $100 just to resharpen the drill bits.
Right, okay.
With the ARTU, let me show you. What I've got here, I've got our special drill holder, and again, they come as an accessory. Any standard electric drill will work. And you can see it only takes a few moments and that drill bit is just like new.
And that's all it takes. That's amazing.
Have a good look at it. There's a few things you'll notice there, Stuart.
It looks like a brand new top on it, actually.
Absolutely. And you'll notice now that we haven't taken the temper out of the drill bit and we haven't dislodged the tip, anything like that. And this is the big problem with two-piece drill bits. But let me show you something really amazing. This is a case-hardened bearing.
Yeah.
Just to show you that we have sharpened this drill bit. We're going to tighten this up here. Now you can see I've just got a normal handyman drill press and an electric drill. Now we like to run these drill bits at 2,000 RPM, high speed.
Yeah.
Unlike a normal drill bit, if you did that, they get so hot the tip falls
The tip
out.
would break, yeah.
With the ARTU, you'll never have this problem. So what we'll do is turn the drill on.
Well, if I hadn't seen that with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it. That is incredibly hard steel, isn't it?
That's pretty impressive. I mean, we've been impressing high-quality engineers for the last 5 or 6 years with these drill bits, and again, just have a look for yourself, Stuart. There's quite a few things you'll notice there.
That looks exactly the same as when you just honed it. There's no wear on it at all.
Absolutely. So basically, you may never need to drill something like this, but if you're out on the farm and you've broken a high tensile bolt, you put an easy out in there, that might even break in there, you've got to drill it out.
Yeah.
With the ARTU, you can do the job. You might be drilling high-speed steel, spring steel, even those very hard materials like bisalloy, manganese. The ARTU drill bits will do all your work.
Now that drill bit can drill right through another hard steel drill bit, huh?
That was just a bit of fun.
It's amazing.
So what you'll find now, we've got a set of drills that'll drill almost anything. The sharpening stone, which will actually sharpen all your drill bits, your knives, your axe heads, your mower blades as well.
Yep.
And even your chisels you can use that for.
Yep.
And I do want to show you one more thing as part of our kit, and that is our famous rod saw. It is the same material that the drill bits are made out of. It's granulated and bonded to a rod.
Okay.
So now let me show you this. I'm going to put John back on because he's going to show you how well it cuts ceramic tiles,
Ceramic tiles, wow.
steel. He's got a few things to show you.
Okay. And John, I believe you're going to show me how to use this?
Yes, this is a tool that everyone should have in their toolbox. It's granulated titanium carbide, what's on the tip of the drill bits, granulated onto a rod and bonded.
Yeah.
Now, it's amazingly versatile. It cuts both ways, back and forth. There's no teeth that it doesn't clog, and it can cut just about everything that drills can drill.
Okay.
Let me show you how it works. I've got a ceramic tile here. This is a common problem, cutting around taps, cutting around the toilet bowl.
Yep.
When you're a
In the
handyman.
bathroom, yeah.
Now, this is what I mean about cutting both ways. You'll see it. See how versatile that is. So you can cut any way you like.
Yeah.
Very versatile. Yes, and they'll also cut glass. Now, again, whenever you're working with glass, it's always best to use terps, mineral terps. So I just feed that through by putting a drop on my finger there.
Yeah.
You can hear it cutting both ways, see that?
Yeah. You see it cutting both ways.
It takes a few minutes, but you'll get right through that. See, it's broke right through that surface.
That's amazing.
They'll also cut hardened metal.
Yeah?
Yeah, where you can cut your exhaust pipes,
Yeah.
steel tubing. I brought along a lock today, because you hear it quite often, that people lose their lock key. This is
Well, there's your get out of jail free card there, John.
certainly is to it. It's a great tool. You should have one of these in every toolbox in Australia. They're so versatile, they've got extremely long life, they're flexible, they're double-sided, and all these tools complement each other. You can drill anything, you can sharpen anything, and now, as you can see, you can cut through anything.
I'm convinced. Does the bottom of your toolbox look like this? Full of broken and worn-out drill bits? Are you sick of changing drill bits every time you drill a different material? Are you forever buying costly replacements? Trying to choose the right drill bit is a nightmare. There are so many different drill bits available. For brick, for steel, for wood, for ceramics. Confused? Well, those days are over. Introducing the revolutionary ARTU German drill bits. These multi-purpose drill bits may be the last set of drill bits you ever buy. With just a single drill bit, you can drill brick, concrete, wood, hardened steel, ceramics, marble, and even glass. Your days of wasting valuable leisure time changing drill bits have come to an end. These ARTU German drill bit tips are diamond ground and are made from titanium and tungsten carbide to give them an extremely sharp and hard-wearing edge. The drill tip is attached to the shaft using a special heat-resistant bonding agent which can withstand a temperature of 1600 degrees centigrade. The shaft is made from chrome vanadium steel, allowing it to flex under pressure when drilling, so it won't snap. This means that your ARTU drill will outlast 4 ordinary drill bits. Remember, it's not the drill, it's the drill bit that makes the difference. ARTU drill bits can be used in any electric drill, drill press, or even in a cordless drill. This 7-piece German drill kit, 4mm to 12mm, normally sells for $119.95, and the multi-purpose rod saw, which cuts the toughest of building materials such as ceramic tiles, hardened steel and even glass, sells for $29.95. That makes this kit $149.90. Order within the next 15 minutes and we will take $40 off the price. Now you can have the very best German quality drill bits for $109. But wait! What about sharpening? Our specially designed silicon carbide sharpening stone will not only extend the life of your drill bits, but you can sharpen your tools, scissors, and even kitchen knives. This sharpening stone sells for $29.95. Ring now and be one of the first 50 callers to order, and we will include this sharpening stone in the kit absolutely free. Now you're getting the whole ARTU range. The multi-purpose drill kit, the rod saw, and the sharpening stone with a complete drilling instruction guide, not for the normal price of $180, but for the low price of only $109 plus $14.95 postage and handling. You now save $70. To help with sharpening, ask our operator about the special price on our versatile drill holder. Just imagine the time and money you will save. Join thousands of satisfied do-it-yourselfers, farmers and tradespeople across the UK and Europe who have been using these drill bits for over 20 years.
When doing household renovations in kitchens and bathrooms, often I'll be using ceramic tiles or else natural products such as slate or granite or marble. And when you come to the point of having to mount fixtures such as handrails, towels and other things that mount on the walls, it's always difficult to get the screw holes in the place you want them that are sufficiently clean to be able to mount the wall plugs or the screws or brackets that you want to be able to place on those walls. And so to get a clean hole in the place you want can save time and money for the tradesperson. And as you can see from using the two different sorts of drills, you have to be very careful the sorts of drills that you use. And I normally use diamond drill bits, but ARTU drill bits can give a very clean hole that you can put a wall plug in with confidence. The ARTU bits work very well when having to drill into ceramic tiles on a concrete floor because you have difficulty, first of all, locating the drill bit because it's at an angle, and these locate reasonably quickly. And the second is if the drill bit does slip, you can crack and damage the toilet pan. But still, I was able to drill through the concrete under the slab as well as a metal plate on top, but it handled all those different mediums with the one drill bit and using only a cordless drill.
Danny, we've seen these wonderful drill bits work with the high-speed electric drills and the drill press. I'm just wondering, how would they go with something considerably less powered like a cordless drill?
Yeah, no, they'll work on a cordless drill, Stuart. It's not the
Yeah.
actual drill that's doing the work, it's the drill bit, the German ARTU drill bit.
Okay.
So if you can have it running a little bit faster, up to, say, 12 or 1500 RPM,
Yeah.
they'll be fine. They'll certainly do your work. So if you're a tradesperson out in the building job, or you might be a farmer out in the paddock, or even a DIY handyman, these drill bits will certainly do the work on a cordless drill.
Okay.
Now, I've got my 5-point power tool 18-volt cordless drill. So this is a bit of red brick. So if you want to drill something like this, what about the blue metal concrete here?
I can't wait.
A lot of people ask us, so what about the Rio? If you do hit Rio rod with these drill bits, as you know, they are a multi-purpose drill bit. You can drill the concrete into the Rio and back into the
through.
concrete.
Unbelievable.
So again, they are multi-purpose.
Yep.
Again, we get a lot of people ringing up our office asking us, can you cut or can you drill marble, porcelains, ceramic tiles?
And the answer is undoubtedly yes.
Absolutely. So if you've got any bathroom accessories to add in there, the ARTU drill bits will save you a lot of time.
Excellent. Now, cast iron.
Cast iron. This is an exhaust manifold. Again, if you're a motor mechanic or you're restoring cars, you're doing a bit of work on farm machinery,
Yep.
you always need a good drill bit. The ARTU drill bits from Germany will do the job.
Cordless drill, cast iron, no problems. From what we've seen today, I am completely convinced that these are a multi-purpose drill.
They certainly are, and I'm sure we've proved that today. And in Europe, they've been there for the last 12 to 15 years, and they've been very popular. And here in Australia, I'm sure they're going to be the same. Whether you're a farmer, a DIY, or a fully fledged tradesperson, these multi-purpose drill bits will save you a lot of money and a lot of effort.
Does the bottom of your toolbox look like this? Full of broken and worn-out drill bits? Are you sick of changing drill bits every time you drill a different material? Are you forever buying costly replacements? Trying to choose the right drill bit is a nightmare. There are so many different drill bits available for brick, for steel, for wood, for ceramics. Confused? Well, those days are over. Introducing the revolutionary ARTU German drill bits. These multi-purpose drill bits may be the last set of drill bits you ever buy. With just a single drill bit, you can drill brick, concrete, wood, hardened steel, ceramics, marble, and even glass. Your days of wasting valuable leisure time changing drill bits have come to an end. These ARTU German drill bit tips are diamond ground and are made from titanium and tungsten carbide to give them an extremely sharp and hard-wearing edge. The drill tip is attached to the shaft using a special heat-resistant bonding agent which can withstand a temperature of 1600 degrees centigrade. The shaft is made from chrome vanadium steel, allowing it to flex under pressure when drilling, so it won't snap. This means that your ARTU drill will outlast 4 ordinary drill bits. Remember, it's not the drill, it's the drill bit that makes the difference. ARTU drill bits can be used in any electric drill, drill press, or even in a cordless drill. This 7-piece German drill kit, 4mm to 12mm, normally sells for $119.95, and the multi-purpose rod saw, which cuts the toughest of building materials such as ceramic tiles, hardened steel and even glass, sells for $29.95. That makes this kit $149.90. Order within the next 15 minutes and we will take $40 off the price. Now you can have the very best German quality drill bits for $109. But wait! What about sharpening? Our specially designed silicon carbide sharpening stone will not only extend the life of your drill bits, but you can sharpen your tools, scissors, and even kitchen knives. This sharpening stone sells for $29.95. Ring now and be one of the first 50 callers to order, and we will include this sharpening stone in the kit absolutely free. Now you're getting the whole ARTU range. The multi-purpose drill kit, the rod saw, and the sharpening stone with a complete drilling instruction guide, not for the normal price of $180, but for the low price of only $109 plus $14.95 postage and handling. You now save $70. To help with sharpening, ask our operator about the special price on our versatile drill holder. Just imagine the time and money you will save. Join thousands of satisfied do-it-yourselfers, farmers and tradespeople across the UK and Europe who have been using these drill bits for over 20 years.
Beauty, health, wealth, renovate. Expo's a world on show. Expo's a world on show.
In cafes, restaurants and homes here in Australia, more than 60,000 cups of Mocador coffee are enjoyed every single day. For over 40 years, they've been creating their unique blends that have ensured they are the sought-after coffee worldwide. Today, we find out more about Mocador. I'm joined by Michael Calabresi, General Manager of Mocador Australia. Welcome, Michael.
Thanks for having us.
Now, we're familiar with Mocador coffee in cafes and restaurants, but if we want to enjoy nice coffee at home, what do you have for us?
Well, Mocador have created the perfect espresso system to bring home. It's simple to use, easy to keep clean, and it creates that perfect espresso which we enjoy in those cafes and restaurants.
Okay, now I understand this coffee machine uses something called pods.
That's correct, yeah.
Now, why would a pod be better than ground coffee?
As a coffee pod has been ground, it's been packed individually sealed, so it's fresh every time you open that pod.
Okay.
And in the end, it creates that consistency in the perfect espresso.
Okay, now let's see you use the coffee machine.
By simply placing the pod into the machine, closing the lever, and with one press of a button, we extract that beautiful espresso.
You can select the type of coffee you want to make, so a flat white, for example, or a short black.
We can make fantastic coffees at home. Cappuccinos, cafe lattes, iced coffees, affogatos, a great selection of pods which you can enjoy.
Now tell us a little bit about the selection of the pod range.
Well, the range is great. There's a nice strong coffee if we like that strong coffee, a decaf, or even a nice mild coffee to use perhaps after a meal.
If we want to get some froth happening, now that's the hard part.
Oh, well, this is the fun part. This is
Okay.
what we enjoy at home. Simple press of the button allows us to use our auto frother, which gives us that nice creamy cappuccino. Or if we like the traditional method, we can use our steam one, which you see in a cafe or a restaurant.
Wonderful. So it's as simple as that, pressing a button.
As simple as that.
Okay, so if people want further information about your systems, what should they do?
Visit our website at www.mocadordirect.com.au.
Well, thanks for coming in today and sharing your knowledge of coffee.
Thanks for having us.
Mocador, makers of fine coffee for more than 40 years. If you'd like to learn more about them and their amazing pod systems, as Michael said, visit their website or ours, expochannel.com.au.